Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best hip hugger is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories you can add to your wardrobe, offering a unique blend of fashion and functionality that appeals to a wide range of individuals seeking both style and practicality in their everyday lives. Whether you're looking to add a touch of flair to a casual outfit or seeking a convenient way to carry your essentials without the bulk of a traditional bag, this innovative product aims to deliver a seamless and stylish solution for modern living. Number 5. FINETOO Women's Seamless Hipster Underwear. Discover ultimate comfort with our seamless hipster underwear. Designed for a no-show look, they offer a smooth, invisible fit under any outfit. Experience the softest stretch you've ever felt. These panties move with you, providing a perfect, comfortable fit all day long. Enjoy the classic bikini cut, perfect for everyday wear. They provide just the right amount of coverage without compromising on style or comfort. Say goodbye to visible panty lines. Our seamless design ensures a smooth silhouette, making them truly invisible under your clothes. Find your perfect fit with our inclusive size range, from XS to XL. Everyone deserves comfortable and invisible underwear. These are the briefs you'll reach for every day. They combine soft fabric, a comfortable fit, and an invisible design for your daily essentials. What we like? Experience ultimate comfort with its seamless design and soft stretch fabric. These are perfect for everyday wear, offering a smooth look under any outfit. If you're looking for invisible comfort and a barely there feel, these are the ones for you. What people say. The fabric is incredibly soft, lightweight, and stretchy, and they truly disappear under leggings, dresses, and jeans with zero panty lines. They stay in place all day without rolling, bunching, or digging into my hips, which is something I constantly dealt with my VS pairs. After washing them several times, they've held up perfectly, no fading, no stretching out, and no fraying. Number 4. Hipster Panties Lace Bikini 5-Pack. Introducing our new lace bikini panties. Designed for ultimate comfort and a flattering fit, these hip huggers are perfect for everyday wear. Crafted with soft, delicate lace, these panties offer a touch of elegance. You'll love the feel against your skin. The hip hugger style provides a comfortable and secure fit that stays in place. They sit perfectly on your hips without digging in. This 5-pack ensures you always have a fresh pair ready. They are the ideal addition to your everyday underwear collection. Experience the perfect blend of style and comfort. Feel confident and beautiful throughout your day with these essential pieces. What we like? Add a touch of elegance to your essentials with beautiful lace detailing. The bikini cut provides a flattering fit that stays in place. If you appreciate delicate designs and a comfortable yet stylish option, these hip huggers are a great choice. What people say. These are a stretch lace for the top band, so no strong elastic to cut into the hips. Super consistent cut, all of them fit the exact same. But my favorite part is the gusset bit between your legs. It's super wide and comfortable. The original set I bought in May of 2021 and they are still going strong. Lace is intact, no random holes where the stitching was done badly, nothing. As someone who loves consistency in their clothing, these are my dream underwear. Great fit, and breathable cotton for summer. Nice style and color choices. The lace top does look and feel pretty. Number 3. Eurzom 6PCS Pant Waist Tightener Clip. Tired of pants that are too loose? Our waist tightener clips offer a simple solution to achieve the perfect fit every time. These clips provide a secure and discreet way to cinch your waistband. They are designed for both men and women, ensuring comfort and style. Beyond just waistbands, these versatile clips can also be used on sandal straps or other accessories. They are a handy addition to any wardrobe. Simply attach the clips to your pants for an instant adjustment. No sewing or complicated steps are required to get a snug fit. Crafted with durable elastic, these tighteners offer flexibility and resilience. They are built to last and maintain their shape through daily wear. This set includes 6 clips, giving you multiple options for different garments. Keep one in your bag, car, or at home for quick adjustments. What we like? Solve your wardrobe woes with this adjustable waist tightener. It's designed to cinch your pants for a perfect fit without sewing. If your pants are a bit loose and you need a quick, discreet solution, this clip is your go-to accessory. What people say. With ease, I simply attach them in the front of the pants and put my baggy sweatshirts over them. They work perfectly, very comfortable. I have also used them in the back of my dressier pants, and they also work very well. Very easy to use, and they don't fall off. My 4-year-old is tall and slender and pants are always either too short or falling off his waist. I bought these clips and clipped them on the back of his pants and they work amazing to hold them up. They are sturdy and stay put. These are brilliant on 2 counts. 1, they are well made and work great. 2, I have a very happy daughter who has shorts that fit, yay. Number 2. Rubbermaid Large Hip Hugger Laundry Basket. Tired of struggling with heavy laundry baskets? This lightweight plastic basket is designed for your comfort. Its curved shape rests perfectly on your hip, allowing for easy one-handed carrying. Experience unparalleled comfort with its innovative hip-hugging design. The curved shape allows it to rest naturally on your hip, freeing up your other hand. Made with sturdy construction and a smooth finish, this basket protects your delicate clothes from snags. Its durable build ensures it will last for years to come. With a 1.5 bushel capacity, it holds a large amount of laundry. This generous size makes laundry day more efficient, reducing the number of trips you need to make. Need more storage? It's stackable, making it a great space-saving solution. Use it in your bathroom, bedroom, dorm, or anywhere you need convenient organization. Crafted with quality and care in the USA. You can trust in its durable construction and thoughtful design for all your laundry needs. What we like? Make laundry day easier with its ergonomic design for comfortable one-handed carrying. This lightweight basket is built for convenience and durability. If you need a practical and easy-to-handle laundry solution that saves space, this hip hugger hamper is ideal. What people say. The hip hugger is a great product that works well. I love the design and features of the hip hugger. The hip hugger is very functional and has many useful features. Number 1. Cotton Lace Hipster Panties 3-pack. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and style with our cotton hipster panties. Designed for everyday wear, they offer a flattering fit. Crafted from soft, breathable cotton, these undies feel amazing against your skin. You'll love the gentle comfort they provide all day long. Featuring delicate lace detailing, these bikinis add a touch of elegance to your essentials. They're designed to make you feel beautiful. The hip hugger bikini cut offers a secure and comfortable fit that stays in place. Enjoy freedom of movement without any fuss. This convenient pack ensures you always have a fresh pair ready. They are the perfect addition to your everyday underwear collection. What we like? Enjoy the natural breathability and comfort of cotton with a feminine lace accent. This bikini style offers a classic and comfortable fit. If you prioritize natural fibers and a touch of delicate detail in your everyday underwear, these are a fantastic option. What people say. They fit comfortably without squeezing. The fabric of these undies is soft and comfortable. The lace seems to stay in place. The quality of the fabric of the panties is great, so soft. The lace looks delicate but feels sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.